Hello, let's have a look. This is the sound meter. Let me turn off. Now I have turned off the humidifier because now I'm testing in the office, so the sound is not very small. Now I have turned off the humidifier. Now the sound, pay attention to the background sound. Okay. Now let me turn on. This one, the blue one, to adjust the mist amount. This one adjust the wind. Let me you can have a look. While using it as humidifier, you can use the lowest wind, because by the lowest wind the mist can spread at least 2 meters far. If you're using it in summer, using it as cooler, you can adjust the wind to the biggest or the bigger one. This one. Turn around the wind. If the sound is very big, I think you are using the biggest wind. So you can use the smallest wind. This one. If you cannot adjust it, please disconnect the power. Disconnect the power. We can reconnect the cable. Reconnect the cable. Unplug and reconnect. Unplug and reconnect. Here, unplug and reconnect, and then power on. Then normally you can adjust the humidifier. Please make sure if you can adjust the wind level. Now I have turned on. Have a look. It's the same sound to while I turn off the humidifier.